Recoveryच्या processan Amalia Figueredo, which is operated by Imran Traders, which was the issue which I had brought up in the assembly when I was in the opposition side. On this, 72 crores in the bank account, which is tentatively the loss. Total material was illegally taken out was 167 crores. So for 72 crores have been frozen in the bank. In case of Vaikund Kandnekar, which was given life illegally, we have already recovered 6.31 directly and about 46 crores as a recovery from auctioning of the material. Total auctioning of material, the amount recorded sale value is 1042.46 crores and other dues like royalty, VAT, etc. is 445.44 crores. ते हांव सांगतालो 300 कोटी वयर पळय ते हांगाचे सांगतालो. देर इज वॅट बी सगळें धरलें जाल्यार 445 जाता. टोटल अमावंट इज 1487.91 crores, of which approximately 250 crores are paid back for extraction of the ore as per the direction. So 1237 is the net recovery. But we have managed to recover around 1400 to 1500 crores. काल 300 कोटी सांगतालो ती फक्त हांव रॉयल्टी सांगतालो. PACच्या रिपोर्टा प्रमाणे 4000 कोटी लॉस आशिल्लो. चार्टर्ड अकाउंटंट हे 1508.59 crores and कॅग रिपोर्टान 1922 दाखयल्लो. प्रत्येकाचे आंकडे वेगवेगळे हाजे कारण इतलेंच आसा की दे एस्टिमेटेड बेस्ड ऑन देयर कॅल्क्युलेशन्स. So show cause notice have gone. Now Goa Sarkar can find out some temporary solutions. But those temporary solutions are not long lasting. The only solution is what Nilesh was suggesting, is to go for the Abolition Act, Mine Concession Abolition Act, and ताजी effective date change करीत जाल्यार तातूंतल्यान solution येवंक शकता. I want to hear all the members on the day of resolution. केन्ना ते? Next Friday.
Last day of the session.
I would request the speaker also to give more time. After hearing all the members, we can go for a request with the central government, provided everyone supports. And the Congress at central level also supports for an amendment in the Act. After listening to everyone, next Friday we will take a call on it. After that, I will go to Delhi and talk to the concerned person.